All right, today we are talking about the third major stressor that we all experience, which is emotional stressors, of which common emotional stressors even start off super early in life. The first experience we have with emotional stress is that of which of our moms. Maternal stress while we're in the womb is the first stress our body experiences. This is the intelligence, the human body who wants to know what kind of world am I coming into, and that of which mom experiences is what we can experience and can prime our nervous system to be more engaged in more of that protective side of the nervous system. Some different life events. Usually the big three are deaths in the family, a move, change in job, but we experience more of the lighter but more consistent repetitive stressors of daily life consistently enough, frequently enough, repeatedly enough over time are really bigger than some of those bigger ones all at once. And so those are very common ones early in life, but even too, the different things that we experience through growth and development, when we are experiencing life as a young kid, the difficulty of rationalizing and triggering that protective nervous system. It's difficult for the body to regulate early on in life. But then too, as we experience and grow through, transition into school age and going through those early grade school years and especially middle school years, those are big transitions, and into adolescence, and then obviously into college and real world, and dealing with life of work, family, deadlines. All those different things can add up and accumulate over time and layer it in, and can teach that nervous system too. And so it's not only just the emotional stressors, but again, those two we talked about before, which are the cumulative effect of the physical stressors, the chemical stressors, and the emotional stressors, how that can influence a nervous system to get more into that protective side, which is that sympathetic side of the nervous system. And if we are in that more frequently, we are not focusing on health and recovery and regeneration and sleep and immune system and digestion, and the list goes on and on. So we want to be in a state of calm and balance. And so with that, that's our tidbit on the three stressors, major stressors that influence that nervous system. If you like our content, please like us, comment, ask questions. We're here to help.